Please use the air gun to clean the machine panel, cutting area, and the bottom of the roller. Put 1-2 drops of lubricating oil into the knife head air tube. When putting the air tube back on, please make sure it's properly installed. On the computer, do not install any antivirus software or software that is not relevant to work. Press the emergency stop button. Press down on the blue air tube head, then remove the air tube. Rotate the knife head until you find the lock gap, then press the lock button. Keep pressing the lock button. Use the knife removal wrench to loosen the knife locking nut. Align the gap on the knife locking nut. With the protuberance on the knife head, take off the knife head. Attention! Sharp blade under the press plate. Do not put your head on the top of the press plate. Take off the press plate. Gently lift the blade. Use an air gun to remove objects and dust near the blade. Add a few drops of lubricating oil into the moving block of the knife head. When cleaning the press plate, use your hand to hook on the internal seal ring to prevent it from getting blown out. Use a cloth to remove extra oil on the surface of the knife head's surface. Align the gap on the knife head with the position pin on the press plate. Reinstall the press plate. Place the knife head back in the knife holder. After pressing the lock button underneath, use the knife locking wrench to lock the nut. Restall the air tube, and finish the knife head maintenance. Use a clean cloth and brush to clean the machine's rack guide rail. Spray lubrication. Clean and lubricate the moving part of the knife set. Clean the dust and other objects in the electrical cabinets. Clean the objects underneath the machine to prevent blockage in the airway. Take off the projector filter. Attention! Do not step directly to the machine. Do not hit or move the projector racket. Use the air gun to blow air into the filter. Reinstall the filter, and finish the maintenance.